This is an introduction to Samuel High's AVID Freshman Seminar course. AVID is an elective course, meaning students can choose to take it. Freshman Seminar by itself, traditionally, is a graduation requirement for all ninth graders at Santa Monica High School. So what we decided to do was combine these two courses because both are about making informed choices. The AVID program is a program that helps students get into a four-year college. AVID students can potentially be first-generation college students, meaning their parents did not attend an American four-year college or university. Or maybe they come from a low-income household and they just need that extra help to get into a four-year college. Likewise, maybe they are from a historically underrepresented group at American colleges and universities. So AVID helps them make informed decisions about their college education. For Freshman Seminar, the focus first semester is college and career, similar to what AVID already does. Second semester, we have a focus on health. Again, this is about informed decision making. And we also have Facing History and Ourselves, where we look at historical case studies to see what decisions people made in the past so that we can make better decisions for ourselves in the future. If you have any questions or would like more details about this AVID Freshman Seminar course, please do not hesitate to contact a Samuel High advisor.